Hi guys, my brother again is doing a video and I'm gonna go. He's doing it with his fingers and he's looking at the tablet. He's doing a video with looking at the tablet. And I cannot hold much, so we're laughing. Now he's interested. He can. We are always good in the race because the race are so easy. Now he's seen in the vortex, and he's doing the bomb level or what you call it. There's a beaver that's coming. Oh no, he's doing it with pink bird, and you're that little boy. Have you heard from my brother? He's just a goof. He's just a goof nugget. You know that my brother's a goof nugget. You have to watch that video when when it was Lego, because that was when he was a goof nugget. That was the one.
That way.
Now he's crushed. He's going to 6th place. I don't know. Does you know that guy?
Oh.
Okay, it looks a little birdie, but you will see a miss. Oh, did you see the Angry Birds boy? And my brother known as the Angry Bird boy and Lego boy has.
I am a Lego boy, Arbor boy.
He has done he has done a other video later. If you want to see that playlist, check it out. And thumbs up, because that was a cool one. Because he was doing Angry Birds, the new Angry Birds. Have you heard the new Angry Birds? Hey, here's the mystery one, huh? Something happens. Oh, that's the new Angry Bird that he showed you. This is the taking lot. And that's a little bit. Okay, he's running. I don't know if he's gaining in 3rd place or 3rd place. You see the third of the love. I know.
I crash.
Okay. Oh no, he's always going to crash.
I thought I crashed.
Yeah, he can talk. My brother can talk. And later, when we are going to show you, my brother is going to Santi, pues ahorita puedes quitar Angry Birds Go y puedes enseñarles todos los Angry Birds. Okay, now he's going to show you on the Angry Birds he has. Okay, now no quita esto. Okay. He's going. Pon Angry Birds y enséñale cuántos Angry Birds tienes.
Albert Tower 2.
Enséñale cuántos Angry Birds tienes. We're going to show you how many Angry Birds we have. Not that level. Not that. Don't do the level. Don't do. My brother says a goof nugget. Okay, pick. And then turn around. No, not do it. Oh, no, how many Angry Birds we have? My brother says a goof nugget. No, los que. Okay, this is going to take up wild. 10 million. Oh, my mom's phone.